What's up guys, it's your boy sitting here and back from the video. And this video we're going to be opening up a yo-yo. So I got another one from the same brand, it's red.
What is it called? Dragonfly?
Dragonfly.
Let's see. What is it? Okay.
Yeah, open it.
No, you cut it. You cut it. No, cut it. Like this.
Oh. So we got it out. Sheesh. This looks fire. Hold on. Alright, ready? Ow! Ooh, that hurt.
Let me see the color. Is it nice? Clear? So which one you like the most?
This one.
Out of all these?
This, then this, then this, then this, then this.
You want like that?
And then this, then this, and this, and then this.
So which one's the easiest to do? Oh, those two?
Yeah, same brand. This one's also cool because you can do like fidget spinner. You wanna know what I do? So I hold it from here and I. Oh! That hurts. Ow. So yeah, that's what I do with it.
Oh, this is a nice color. See, I think, where's the other one? See, this one, they forgot it, look.
Oh yeah, they forgot.
Is that right? I think they forgot it, yeah. Is it this side, both sides? Yeah.
Hold on, I missed. This one's like kind of broken. Is that like it?
I think you have to tighten it. I think it's loose.
Hold up. I missed it, hold up. Alright.
That's a lot.
Bye guys. I hope you guys did. Give big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'm out.